Garmin just upgraded its affordable running watch lineup in a big way with the new Forerunner 70, Forerunner 170, and Forerunner 170 Music. And honestly, these feel much more premium than previous beginner Garmin watches because now you're getting AMOLED displays, smarter training tools, better recovery tracking, and even offline music support in the higher model. So in this video, let's take a look at everything new in these watches and see which one actually gives the best value. Welcome to SmartWatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest updates. Garmin Forerunner 70. Starting with the Garmin Forerunner 70. This is Garmin's new entry-level running smartwatch, but compared to older beginner models, the upgrades here are honestly huge. The biggest new upgrade is the AMOLED display. Garmin finally replaced the older basic display style, making the watch feel much brighter, smoother, and more premium during workouts and daily use. Garmin also improved training features with new adaptive workout suggestions, Garmin Coach improvements, training readiness tools, and better recovery insights. Health tracking is now more advanced too, with improved HRV tracking, sleep coach features, body battery monitoring, pulse ox support, and breathing variation tracking. Battery life is another major upgrade. Even with the AMOLED screen, the watch can still last up to around 13 days in smartwatch mode. The overall software experience also feels smarter and more polished compared to older affordable Garmin watches. Honestly, the Forerunner 70 now feels much closer to a premium Garmin watch than a basic beginner model. Garmin Forerunner 170. This model builds on everything from the Forerunner 70 but adds several premium upgrades for more serious runners and fitness users. The AMOLED display remains one of the biggest improvements here too, but Garmin also added extra sensors including a barometric altimeter, compass, gyroscope, and thermometer for more detailed tracking and workout analysis. Garmin upgraded the running and recovery system with deeper performance insights, more advanced training analysis, and smarter recovery recommendations. One major new feature here is Garmin Pay support, allowing contactless payments directly from the watch, which was missing on cheaper models before. The Forerunner 170 also feels slightly more premium in overall design and software experience. Battery life remains strong at around 10 days in smartwatch mode, which is still excellent for a watch with an AMOLED display and advanced sensors. Overall, the Forerunner 170 feels like the perfect middle option between affordability and premium Garmin features. Garmin Forerunner 170 Music. You can now store playlists directly on the watch and connect Bluetooth headphones for phone-free music playback during workouts and runs. And honestly, this is one of the most important upgrades for runners because many users don't want to carry their phone while training. Garmin also optimized the software experience for smoother music controls and workout integration. Everything else remains premium, including AMOLED display, advanced health tracking, improved recovery tools, Garmin Pay support, GPS accuracy, and strong battery life. Price comparison. The Garmin Forerunner 70 starts at around $290. The Garmin Forerunner 170 starts at around $352.04. And the Garmin Forerunner 170 Music version costs around $410 depending on the region. Final verdict. If you want the best affordable Garmin running watch with modern features and excellent battery life, the Forerunner 70 is honestly the best value. If you want more advanced tracking and premium fitness features, then the Forerunner 170 is the better overall option. And if you want the complete running experience with offline music support, then the Forerunner 170 Music is easily the best watch in this new lineup. So yeah, Garmin seriously upgraded its affordable running watches this year. And honestly, all three models look very competitive in 2026. Let me know which one you would choose. Subscribe to SmartWatch Radar for more latest tech updates.